Well, good day everyone. Still on upholstery, I'm sorry. I know I said this was about doing up the dart. We haven't done anything mechanical for quite a while, but you know, it's the way it is at the moment. Doing this course, so got to do the upholstery. So I thought I'd do a little bit of a video of me sewing, which is, you know, hopefully we don't edit out the swear words, because made a few mistakes, but considering I haven't done sewing for such a long time, like ever, doing okay. Anyway, I'll put it on fast video so it won't be too boring, and you'll be able to see amateur hour upholstery. So here I am sewing around the edge of the top part of the seat, doing top stitch, which went okay, but a little bit wobbly in spots because it's quite hard to move that vinyl around, quite stiff. But anyway, it did work, so that's the main thing. Thanks for watching this short video, and hopefully next one might be a bit more interesting. I'm thinking about making a new tool.